If you're seeing Steam error code 50, don't worry, because this usually points to a connection or update issue, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step. We'll start with the simplest solutions first, then move into the deeper troubleshooting steps so you can get Steam working again as fast as possible. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you should do is restart Steam completely. Close Steam the normal way, then make sure it is fully shut down in the background. On Windows, you can open Task Manager and check that no Steam processes are still running. Once everything is closed, reopen Steam and try your game or update again. A quick restart can often clear temporary glitches that trigger error code 50. If that does not fix it, the next thing to check is your VPN or proxy. Steam can sometimes have trouble connecting properly when a VPN is active, especially if the route is unstable or the region is causing a conflict. If you are using a VPN, disable it completely and try Steam again. The same goes for any proxy settings on your network. If you are not sure where that is, open your system network settings and make sure proxy is turned off. Then reconnect to Steam and test the game once more. Now let's clear Steam's cache and configuration data. This is one of the most useful steps when you are dealing with update or connection related errors. Press the Windows key and R to open the run box, then type steam://flushconfig and press enter. Steam will reset some local configuration files and refresh cache data without deleting your games. After that, sign back into Steam and see if the error is gone. In many cases, this alone can fix stubborn launch or update problems. If you still see Steam error code 50, the next step is to verify the game files. Open your Steam library, right-click the game giving you trouble and select Properties. Then go to Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the installation and repair any missing or corrupted files automatically. This process can take a few minutes depending on the size of the game, so let it complete fully before testing again. Another important thing to check is your antivirus or firewall. Sometimes security software can block Steam from connecting to its servers or stop the game from downloading updates correctly. Open your antivirus settings and look for any blocked apps, protection logs, or firewall rules related to Steam. Make sure Steam is allowed through both the firewall and any internet protection features you have enabled. If needed, you can temporarily disable the antivirus just to test whether it is the cause, but be sure to turn it back on afterward. If the error still continues after all of that, it may help to restart your computer and launch Steam again with a clean network session. Also make sure your internet connection is stable and that there are no ongoing Steam server issues in your region. Sometimes the problem is not on your side at all, but these steps will cover the most common causes first. So to recap, if you get Steam error code 50, restart Steam, disable any VPN or proxy, clear the cache with steam://flushconfig, verify your game files, and check whether antivirus or firewall software is blocking Steam. Those 5 steps solve most cases of this error and can save you a lot of time. If this video helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple fixes and gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.